Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve a common problem many of you face withdrawing money from the perfect money to your bank account. This process is straightforward but it's required a few steps to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you will need to log into your Perfect Money account. Visit the Perfect Money website, enter your login credential and access your account dashboard. Once you are logged in, locate the withdrawal option. This is usually found in the main menu and navigation bar. Click on it and start with the withdrawal process. You will be presented with the several withdrawal methods. For this tutorial, select the option to withdraw funds to your bank account. Now you will need to enter the specific details about your bank account. This includes the account number, bank name and other required information. Make sure these details are accurate to avoid any issues. After entering your bank detail, confirm the transaction. You may need to verify your identity to authorize the transactions for security purpose. Once you have confirmed the transaction, Perfect Money will process your withdrawal request. This typically takes a few business days depending on their processing times. That's it. With this step, you should be able to withdraw money from Perfect Money to your bank account easily. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related problem solving videos.